Hello guys, welcome back in this new Flutter tutorial as we are following our packages playlist. So in first video we learned or we did so many things about what are the packages, why we use packages and why packages are beneficial for us. In this video we are going to learn about our first package, that is Google Fonts. It is very beneficial for you when you are working on the text styling and so many things. So we come to our next slide. How to use this Google Fonts package. I will tell you step by step how to use Google Font, how to import it, how to get it from the pub.dev, and how you can use it in your project. So that's all for this video. So that's all from the slide, and let's come to our website from where we want this package. Google Fonts, here in pub.dev, if you will search here in Google Fonts, then you will get that package. So that's the official package from material.io. As you guys know that Google is making what the design Google is providing to you, that is not called material design, and the design that Apple is providing you, that is Cupertino design. So material is providing this Google Fonts. So how to use it, how to install it in your project. So from where you will find those fonts, which font you have to use in your project. For that you have to visit this website fonts.google.com. Here you will find so many fonts. These are all fonts are free, you can use for your project. So how to use it, I will tell you each process step by step. So first of all, before going to your project, copy this Google Fonts 2.1.0. If you will click here, it will get automatically copied to your clipboard and copy it to your project. So let's do it first. Come to our popspec.yml. In your project, if you will visit to here in project, go to popspec.yml. Here you will find Cupertino icons. Near scroll down, and here you will find Cupertino icons. Don't think a lot here, just press enter and paste your Google Fonts. As I already pasted it, so I'm not going to do anything. After that, click here on pubget. It will get those packages to your project and add it for your work. Okay, so click here on pub.get. You will automatically get those packages. Here the command is running, that is the official command is flutter pubget. If you are not using this pubget, then just open the terminal and click on pubget. Okay, flutter pubget, running flutter pubget in Google Fonts and finish with exit code 0. If it is exiting with code 0, then it means everything is okay, you have not to do anything. So if there is error, then it will show some error to you. Okay, so come to your main.dart and so learn now, run our first project, and after I will show you how to give style to your project. Okay, as now we did all those processes to proceed with our package. So this is our first project. As you guys can see, our incrementer project, it's working. So what we are going to do here, we will work with this text. You have pushed the button this many times. So we will try to change this text. You have, where is that text? You have pushed this many times. Okay, as you guys know that there is a property called style in text. Okay, so in the style property we are going to use Google fonts Google Fonts. Oh sorry, there is spelling mistake in Google Fonts dot, import package Google Fonts. Now this will work, and we are going to use any of the font, that is if you will paste here dot, then you will see list of fonts which you want to use. You can change. So we are going to use this font. Okay, that's all. After reloading this project, you will see some changes in the text. So as you guys can see, after hot reloading, there is some changes in this text, that you have pushed the button this many times. We change that text to this ABAE text. Okay, so if you this is somehow for the particular text, if we are using some particular text, and what if I want to change the whole my app text to this text. For that you have to visit to the material app, material app, there is a property called theme. Okay, in this theme property you have to go for the here in theme you have to find a property that is text theme. Here in theme data there is a property is text theme. Yeah, this is the text theme. Here you will use this google fonts dot ab ABZEE text theme. We are not going to use that ABZEE. That if you want to use that simple ABEEZEE, that is for the simple text. But when you are theming the whole app, after that you have to use this ABEEZEE text theme. Okay, and inside this text theme, we have to pass one property, that is theme dot of context. Theme dot of context dot theme dot text theme. Okay, that's all. If you want to change your whole app text style, so now we will reload this app and we will see some changes. Okay, so if you will see the changes of the Flutter demo homepage. Now if I will remove this, I'm not going to do any styling with this you have pushed the button how many times. I'm just going to simply remove this style from this text, and after that I will see is this change is still, or it will get removed after removing this. Yeah, as our app is get reloaded, but the change is same, there is no changes. This is somehow because of the theming. We themed our whole app with this theme. Okay, when you will use simple text now, any place in the whole app, the theme will be same and the text style will be AB, and this ABEEZEE. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.